Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about amazing benefits of adding chia seeds into their everyday diet. Eating chia seeds daily can offer a wealth of health benefits due to their impressive nutrient profile. Chia seeds are tiny, black or white seeds that are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and various micronutrients. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Chia seeds are an exceptional source of dietary fiber. A single ounce, about 28 grams, of chia seeds contains approximately 10 grams of fiber, which is roughly a third of the recommended daily intake. Consuming this amount of fiber daily can promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy digestive system. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that can help to slow digestion and maintain a feeling of fullness. This property is particularly beneficial for weight management, as it can reduce overall calorie intake by curbing appetite and prolonging satiety. In addition to their fiber content, chia seeds are rich in protein, providing about 4 grams per ounce. This makes them an excellent plant-based protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as for the production of enzymes and hormones. Regular intake of chia seeds can contribute to meeting your daily protein requirements, supporting muscle health and overall body function. For athletes and those with active lifestyles, the protein in chia seeds can aid in post-exercise recovery and muscle maintenance. One of the most notable benefits of chia seeds is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, as they help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Alpha-linolenic acid, in particular, has been shown to have a positive effect on heart health by reducing blood levels of triglycerides and bad cholesterol, while increasing good cholesterol. Including chia seeds in your daily diet can support heart health and potentially reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Moreover, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and contributing to chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. The antioxidants in chia seeds, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin, help to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity also supports skin health, promoting a youthful appearance and protecting against damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Chia seeds are also a rich source of various micronutrients, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. Calcium is vital for bone health, and regular consumption of chia seeds can contribute to stronger bones and teeth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. In fact, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products, making them an excellent alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to dairy. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Phosphorus is essential for the formation of bones and teeth, as well as for the body's utilization of carbohydrates and fats. Manganese is important for bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. The versatility of chia seeds allows them to be easily incorporated into various meals and snacks. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and baked goods, or used to make chia pudding. This makes it simple to enjoy their health benefits without significant changes to your diet. Additionally, chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor that blends well with both sweet, savory dishes, enhancing the nutritional value of your meals without altering the taste significantly. One of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance. When soaked in water, they expand and can hold up to 12 times their weight in liquid. This property can help maintain hydration levels, especially during prolonged physical activity or in hot weather. The gel-like consistency of soaked chia seeds can also be used as a natural thickening agent in recipes, providing a healthy alternative to processed thickeners. For individuals with specific health conditions, chia seeds can offer additional benefits. Their high fiber and healthy fat content can help manage blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for people with diabetes. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood glucose levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids can also benefit those with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, reducing pain, and improving joint mobility. Chia seeds may support mental health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are crucial for brain function and development. Regular consumption of omega-3s has been linked to a reduced risk of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. The high levels of magnesium in chia seeds can also contribute to improved mood and relaxation, as magnesium is known to play a role in regulating neurotransmitters and reducing stress. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, it's important to consume them in moderation. Overconsumption can lead to digestive issues such as bloating and gas due to their high fiber content. It's also crucial to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds to prevent dehydration, as they absorb a significant amount of liquid. For those with allergies or sensitivities, it's advisable to start with a small amount of chia seeds and gradually increase intake while monitoring for any adverse reactions. Adding chia seeds to your diet is simple and versatile due to their mild flavor and easy-to-use form. You can sprinkle them on top of your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal for an added nutritional boost. They can be blended into smoothies and juices, enhancing the nutrient content without altering the taste. For a delicious and healthy treat, you can make chia pudding by soaking chia seeds in milk or a dairy-free alternative overnight, then adding fruits and nuts. Chia seeds can also be incorporated into baked goods like muffins, bread, and cookies, replacing some of the flour to increase fiber and protein content. Additionally, they can be used as an egg substitute in vegan recipes by mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water to form a gel. This versatility makes it easy to include chia seeds in a wide variety of dishes, ensuring you can enjoy their health benefits every day. If you found this video useful, like and share this with your friends and subscribe for more useful videos.